It's Bill here from Melbourne City Maintenance, your local interior house painter. And here we are at this Weatherboard home in Preston that was getting ready to be sold by the current owner, who is a friend of mine who was leaving to go overseas permanently, and they needed the place to go from green to this beautiful neutral Dulux Natural White on all surfaces, including the ceiling, the walls, the skirting boards, the windows, and the architraves, as well as the doors. And the place is looking really immaculate. Unfortunately, there aren't any before photos because I forgot to take them, but you can see that every surface has been prepared properly and painted. And the reason it needed some preparation was because the walls had some crack in them because the house had been recently re-stumped. And after the re-stumping, some cracks emerged in the plaster that were simply filled with the appropriate fillers, sanded smooth, applied some undercoat, and then continued to paint over the top of them as per normal. All wardrobes and cupboard doors were all painted in the same color. The walls were finished with interior low sheen by Hames. The ceilings were finished with ceiling flat by Hames paints, and the doors, skirting boards, architraves, and the rest of the timber work was finished with semi-gloss enamel, so that the house looks nice and clean and is a blank canvas for the new owners who move in. Now, this room was a dark green, so I wish I had that before photo because it is a complete different looking room. It is so much brighter and lighter compared to the old color. The carpets have been removed, and that revealed some minor damage to the skirtings, which we quickly dealt with by repairing them, punching some nail holes, filling the gaps and sanding them smooth, and then applying 2 coats of semi-gloss enamel. And you can see how much brighter and lighter this house is. It's just really good. This color is really good for keeping the place looking very bright and light without making it too dark, like a white straight out of the can would. Now, the bathroom didn't have a lot of work to do. We just painted the window and the ceiling because the tiles go from floor to ceiling, and also painted the door and door frame. And in this area that we're going to now, the large lounge and living room, we painted all surfaces, protected the TV, the couch, and the kitchen table, the curtains, all the benches with drop sheets to make sure that we didn't leave any splash marks behind and damage any of the furniture that was in the house. At the end of the day, we took all those drop sheets down so that the people living in the house could go back to business as normal, and they were able to still use their kitchen and their table, and they were still able to feed their children. And as you can see, this place has come up looking amazing. In a little bit, you'll get to see some of the photos that were taken by the agent for the sale photos. And if you need a house painted and prepared for sale, please call Bill from Melbourne City Maintenance on 0403 162 374. And here are the after photos, which are looking amazing. The house is very simply staged with some lovely furniture and some interesting pictures on the walls that stand out now and are the center of the room, instead of the colors of the rooms being the main thing that you see. You get to see the beautiful furniture, the lovely bench top, and check out this entrance. Isn't it amazing? Nice bright light, and this is a lovely area to live in.